All right, so it says which expression is equivalent to 3 times 21 plus 8. So then if I look at these, they're all reduced into prime factorization. So I need to know my prime numbers. So my prime numbers are 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, and 11. And then my last one, 13. Okay, so then because we need to do prime factorization, the word factor means to multiply. Okay, so the only place where I'm not multiplying is this plus sign, so I need to bring this down enough to where I have enough space and make my upside down T and then make my plus sign. Okay, so now from here, I'm gonna now circle wherever I have a prime number. So again, this is being split up. And I'm going to split it up even more up here. So then I'm going to circle my 3, okay, because 3 is in my list of prime numbers. 21 is not prime. So I need to figure out 2 numbers when I multiply that gives me 21. So then let's try 3. So 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 19, 20, 21. So 7. So it's going to be 3 times my 7. And the only reason why I guessed 3 because I saw this 3. And then, so sometimes it's going to be trial and error. Okay, you guys could have done 2. You guys could have done 4. It just, you need to figure out what times tables I can use to figure out what makes the number that I'm looking at. So then now at this line right here, I need to circle my prime numbers, and I'm going to do that in red so it stands out. So let me do this one in red. So now, again, my prime number is 3, so I'm going to circle that because I already circled it right here. I need to look at my list of primes, and I have a 7. So I'm going to circle my 7, and I am done here. So that means right here, the way I'm going to write it is the expanded form. So I'm going to write 3 times 3 times my 7. Okay, so 3 times my 7. I took care of all the numbers that I had circled. Okay. And then what I can do as well is if I write this using my exponents, 3 repeats twice, so 3 to the power of 2, 3 repeats twice times my 7. Okay, so now all I have to worry about is this left side. So now what 2 numbers multiply to make 8? Because 8 is not in my list of prime numbers. So it would be 4 times my 2. I cannot use 1 times 8. Okay, so now here, what I need to do is figure out, do I have any prime numbers in this line right here? And I do. So then that means I need to circle my number 2, because 2 is right here. And then I need to continue the 4. So then with my 4, I'm going to do 2 times 2, because 2 times 2 gives me 4. And then I need to think in that line, do I have any prime numbers? And I do, because 2 is prime. So I'm going to circle that. So then when I rewrite it down here, I'm going to write 2 times 2 times 2. Okay, so 2 repeats 3 times, so that means I'm going to write a big 2 to the power of 3, or 2 cubed. Okay, so then now when I look at my answer choices, this one has 2 plus signs. This one's different, so then I need to cancel that one out because I do not have 2 plus signs here. I only have 1. So now I have here 3 to the power of 3. Do I have 3 to the power of 3 here? I do not. So this is what's different, and I need to cancel that right away. So now this one, I have 3 to the power of 2, 3 to the power of 2 times my 7, times 7, plus 2 to the power of 3. So from what it seems like, C is my answer choice. Because this one would be different because these 2 are the same, these 2 are the same, these 2 are the same, but then what I have here is 2 to the power of 3, and this is what's different, so D is wrong. Okay, so my answer choice would be C.